Saif is involved in many volunteering activities, but the one that is the most memorable is the NHS volunteers. When we think of the totality of his efforts, it resulted in major external activity around the time of the pandemic. And if you imagine a time when NHS workers may not be able to do their jobs because of childcare or dog walking or a whole variety of things, Saif offered workable solutions and volunteers to help people to do that. They were called the NHS supporters, and Saif put out an advert on Facebook when he was aware that healthcare professionals may have problems with the logistics of babysitting or shopping or taxiing, and he put an advert on Facebook to link volunteers with NHS professionals to help with those day-to-day events so they could continue and go to work during the pandemic. Saif's main role was communication and introduction, so he introduced the volunteers to the NHS workers, and he had to make sure that he considered the logistics of that in terms of the policies, the health and safety, the insurance. He really did look at the bigger picture of the NHS supporters. What happened was it is immeasurable, really. Initially in Manchester, he led more than 450 students who stepped forward to help the NHS workers while they tackle the COVID-19 pandemic. This then led to a national initiative where he joined even more students from across the healthcare professions with a whole variety of NHS professionals. So nationally, there were approximately 19,000 students and key workers who offered to get involved in terms of helping or needing help. And the scheme supported students to contribute thousands of volunteering hours to help the NHS staff. It's phenomenal. It's an absolutely phenomenal number of people to join together. And to manage that actually while you are a medical student during a pandemic, when for a lot of us we were just learning how to make banana bread, it's amazing. It has been my absolute pleasure to support him in these endeavours, and just to be a tiny part of the initiative that he created was a great honour.